Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Trying to capture this pouty mood in this cat. I'll just get my shapes in, feeling my way around. Going 2.5 times the speed and voicing over here. Get some spots for eyes in there. Just a gesture drawing. Just want to capture the gesture of this kitty. Just deciding what details are important and what I should leave out because they'd just be distracting anyways. Feel like that eye line was up a little bit too high, so I brought it down. And I actually feel like I should have got it lower. But that's okay. I just kind of let my drawing be what it is, and I learn with each one. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. I'll do my best to get it on here. And I just love to hear from you too about yourself or your cat, whatever. Or how many cats you have. I know there's some of you that have lots. It comes to life with some pupils in there, hey? Sometimes it's just easier to get it right from a different angle. Felt like the eyes went up a bit, so I erased the top off of the left one, especially. Our left. And tabby marks are really good for creating expression too. So all the lines I put in, I kind of try to reflect the mood I'm trying to capture. Yeah, that chin needs to be a bit farther down. Just some suggestion of toes. And suggestion of tabby marks, just to kind of draw the eye. I draw them in a kind of rhythm to try to draw the eye back into where the focal point is. You know, rather than trying to get them exactly like they are in the photo. And it takes practice to get there. Refine that nose a little bit. Now we're speeding up here to 4 times the speed and finishing this drawing up. Just strengthening lines here and there, tweaking things a little to enhance the mood I'm trying to capture. I kind of like that sort of sideways smirk I got. Almost like Kitty saying, "I'll get you." A little bit too much there. I had to erase some out. You know, don't be afraid to draw just as much with your eraser as with your pencil. Do what works for you. Love those whiskers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.